monster! Listen! There are no monsters. Nothing will hurt us. Go back! Quiet. I have the light. Stay behind me, Leo. What is it? A big shadow. It's really big. Run away!
Whoa, whoa! Why are you awake?
Dad? We thought you were a monster.
Hey! Hey! What is going on in here?
I was just having a tiny midnight snack.
Were you two very scared?
Huh? Scared. Scared.
Shadows are big, but you are safe here.
Yeah, I'm the snack-eating guard dog. Totally safe.